episode esa ebremo ene awie ene menya another player so e wo menche na no me ne advantage be fe no Kobe Anan ena etwetwenko ene so mesanya another player fantastic one so esa e wo menche up and coming players ni bi but we betumi follow betumi so like betumi so subscribe YouTube or comments bi betumi about comment section no abone etumi grow this channel together enti me ne owura yi anase me nua yi eya wotemi nchen ebetwetwe nkomo kakra me mo no kasa na bonidin na ewi a de ho na ede atoa so ho no chale afa
boko
me de phone ma
medase na me shira se wa mami akonya se konya we kwese pa ti edika me dase da ma se me din edi Eric Mensa.
Okay.
I do not himself from Cantona.
Okay.
I do himself from Abu. That football name Nidia Cantona.
Cantona. But it didn't papa no am already told Eric Mensa. In the football then NFL Cantona. Okay. Okay. Obusan for Semekano, you were fantastic player papa. Nyaka said in person. How the ball ni anase say was born ball fa. Nti enawie no obutai bi send so opese honestly football career ba bia opese odukoduro e wo share Ghana ha say amana na say he nti Cantona
sir
en fa kan ya wo
mi dodoa yo dodoa sanse mamni do bobusia ho
okay
ye kra so e wo chipo praso ona e kra ne wo na ye mamni beso ye ho dodoa nti dodoa na ye grumi nya ye dini
okay na ebra wunyini man say usiso oba na wo papa so besi akan asa wo bobo
me de bobo na edi simani so mfiti ase mbra me so akra no me di bo chi sa fitin collaborate ma ko pie mu course tino bo ni dem di simani so me de be majuma
okay na ebra on say awofo no say akra sa time no yiso akra no so ko bo a bo so ma me no ba twen ko fufu ko nsu ebi wo kana na o mani nyu ho mpa so bo na wo me say wusi su a na woni je ho say na wo ma me ne o papa musi fa ne
amuno nukre say na wo kanu at amu pese mi bra game no munti no amu jami do na mi na adwe ma mi free mu ntem at the early stage
okay
na ma mi free mu entire free mu sa na ko eze mi shemina na o sa kaka no de one mi bro aside ko bo le ba be complain so still aswodi e di na mu sa ko pim bra penyi o so no so masia fi nkola be mani ntimi bo ni nyam bo mi bra penyi bo ni chen sa so no hwe ni
okay na obo no emfa na o hyase
okay ebe pie ashama ebe pie ashama ifi dodo wa mu de me ba ashama me bra no so adwuma hospital ntina ne master ashama nti ono ye be so ashama nti no ashama na me di start here na me bo me game kakra me bo Argentina ne moa ne se coast team bi so team en kan so na coast Argentina na coast ashama na o jo mo bi mo Roman Park na ashama Roman down ho nti me bra so na me ne kan terms the team bi coach bi afani Zagaro may so rest in peace or committee 8 or no be pick me come Great Palmas or committee 2 nti na me ko bo Palmas or committee 2 that time na ahyamu na ye train nya ne ya tef
abano
nti na me gina musa me ne omu edi djuma emu no focus ni na me pija
so team space na nobody so no
well from course no me kopie mu wo Afienya Afienya so na wo premier nti no ndi do na nim sa Afienya dey abo premier da na barricade to bo first division so to the second division team is joining from the second division side na Afienya youth okay nti na ye wo mo na me boy ya me dinya akonya e kopie mu okwo be so ma be so mi mu
Oko United
oko Ntina say man be so me mu e fe no Ojo ono so no wo area ma betrem
okay
ani kokumpea nti Ojo ni be so me mu hu me me bobo ni ade no so ka so at least me bo me mo de nti o coach bi ya or the place to go and mo club e wo nkoko ntina say o say me kokobo okwo youth okay obu family na ya ye nyina ko nti motivate ko ye no na ya akwantu na ye nyina ye ko ye nti ye wom egusu ata nkwa na me bo afenya na ye bo FA Cup ka 2015 na ye ni House of Folk round of 8 at Tema Sports Stadium ti no se mbo sa match mbo wia ni nyumre no se ni bu market emeko nkoko nti na man na e twen se ni bo game wia so has mama konya at least na coach na okita Accra House of Folk that year no coach Herbert Adu but nei oje na onya ne baby eko me so rest in perfect peace ono na o che say me good up and coming player me bant na ko mami platform House of Folk na come ni o ma be djuma at least o ma na konya ma me ko bi na no ko training those times Yas Park for 3 good weeks month 3 good months 1 week le mu na man no enya ni pressure sorry any idea you rushing to hospital or in media nti from there media you buy na say frustrations ni ade and them kaka was up and coming player unya sa great opportunity in terms of FA Cup no ya kunko ani 116 club na Afienya was able to find out about the round of 8 I think says a big privilege and a big platform so and my excel players yes we na kunya se mi nya sa so na say a bounce early stage na say nyama ntimi anko ya mamia na was coming spirit down and then credit
na jili say e dey ntin ma so ko has no dey ntin dey na ko ba ntia ma sa dream na ntin ma on say na football na ye born Ghana e humi no enti akwa say modern bono e de obekoba e bia obi o yam obone modern pa but oni obi potia obeso ni mu a obi pushi no nti yeso na e bobo no nyame say enka no ka nchini kanfo no ho de but I think say me yam aframa de o say me manitu ya
say at least me so me a player na me performance na ma coach ni pushi me na coach ni so be wu no on na obe sign ono be catch management say me pel mu san akola we mami say coach ni wa management be na nimu obi animu nti na was a change of coaching ni na man wu ye ntema yeso sign ya yesan back to Afienya nti me popie me nkoko no go youth na me no mko ye adwuma say me ko pa akwantu mu ekwan akọ nti na say Ojo no as ofosu na enyina yini my friend no ono de ekọ more than 8 players ti emu no e bo friendly matches wo ni ade agent ni ba e bobo ni ade at least e bobia o ze nka nipa nya akonya nso no de nyame pe no ye nti also ankofa enyanya local clubs ni yanko say data na division 1 we from ko praso omo King Solomon ono mo ujoma omo ko praso ona omuni omo person komuni ni ju edi adwuma se me be division 1 mo nso no ofosu no yes o manage ye no ordinary adwunyina akoto abrochiri nti o ma Ghana league no sheda mba itrim bebre nti abrochiri bounce na yes o se nipa be fie nti eja yesofu bia okita ya ni dia di Emmanuel Populampo ono no ubehunu umbunu oye ti se sumro onu onam no onum moja ye woni beba honso no na de efu papa ni mu ba no obeka sa nya akwala onu na oso ya sin that time ye bobo nti no na spiritual father ija maybe okan agent na sem ya se bibi sa bisi ma kwam mi hwe ni ye na me so satana na my friend nti na mi hwe da nyim se bibi sa abekoso nti na mi hwe da anje di bebre se bia na my friend ampa nti o kan asem na amfa ni serious any say asem ni ba ma kwam nso no happy ye na ma me bobo no e be ye bia wo nti I think say sankofo we nyina so yemu a omo so boy e obo num e be si samre
okay but then me say ajanyango kwa so mo we dim benzo se inada nyame so nam so fun so ma de mo so mo hwe mo sa adima but we do me betumi afolo betumi so like o comment sa pabra o comment sa na wa share so ma na yetimi reach larger audience and so many player Eric Mensah aya ne samna ne fe no Cantona ma me no atwetwe apart from House of Folk na emle be twem no na nkomo boso mo no edins awoso no other teams bi asa ba okwan
teams by but eno no na me tell say akoye say na afinya no ye motive na mpanyifo no makoye say ye qualify team nti se bi bakra na mo mpese on be jamo nti na akoye say motive na ye qualify afinya to division 1 na so ye tunu bo akodi second and so to go no going forward no na ye bi o nti teams by na mo ntime anya bia nkosan not inshanka nyame say me ba out of the game kakra no abrante bi trinity say Espino friend Espino no so e wo ya at least abrante no marvelous job for the youth almost so they want to get their talent to somewhere and they also aba egumi youth no any omo ye trainer as a fitness club bia watia ono so e dey boy youth man no and as a young man no boy no body say obia as a youth a obobo nkwado be mo be bia ubesi nyame aduma we asutie na utie no ene na nante e wa komapem utie di oka follow guidelines. I think say Espino no is coming from a bright corner utum say baby ono so ni lemu etino eti say wo oede Espino hono ede yi papa enti ye nyina ye hyewa sisi a oni ye dijuma fe na ono so asoyemu say obeboan na ye talent no enye kwa enti nyame hira no bebi biara Espino owo bia no nyame mpega no san say de oye no nipa bia ntumi nye esan say oyi na kuma mu a we see as a young boy a sabi bibi kakraba ne nsem no obi an ko beka so de behwe na busua ana say o de be other business a discover ono no why na just obey football agency also episode de sika nyina ra football mu bua football na football ejuma no but so the players bi to be penso bi na yehu say na muso na brand yesi anto no na wa be family si a all polish me
to say si a ono mi manager mi do no share nsa bibia I can be bold of myself say bibia me jire bia e be ka say e manager no me Jesus ono na when manager Espino no ono na isi ama be share nsa o ka se me nda obeda eja o ka se mpunu so a e be put ono na o say me aka je se me bo Ghana league nko ade ono na isi o mi se mu a mi woni se mu a o be mu awe be ma do me na league bi abo sana e be share going forward ni e be see afa nti eno no okay now if man say you say Ghana has no team be pa na do akoma so ka we say team de minya kama akobo am prepare say bi o ma to mo sa say bi o mo approach o manager team
okay two teams no House of Folk ni otoko nti so far no de nine minyaya na me di for etimechi pa on de onim de ekoso ye bebo na kotoko de edamakuma so
okay
kotoko da makuma so say nyame ya aduma o to nsafre be ko house no so to nsafre ya eno mba ko dujuma sa na tie na say nyame ncha de na randomly na any of the premier clubs so
ebo
akwema ye be ko akofa fio e bia true on no mo de hu na etimi akọ nti sana
okay, fantastic. Many Eric Cantona, and say Eric Mensah. I do not idea me say Cantona Agbo.
Yes.
And they didn't know tema important more say. But with my subscribe, with me follow or comment section, with me no comments about. Na so be because they no what can't because Eddie about all the other banner and the Asian in crime. So I say ebesere Facebook or YouTube so do so a ye honom nti ni nyina mu no wabo na yetimi apagya yenua akoduru empempezo boso okokoduru na apart from Ghana ha say ni so man say ye call outside so what man offer people outside say be trials be over
be answer Ghana no me ko bobo division 2 me ko adan Young Madrid me chimpa me ko bo adan Young Madrid me ko bo Fair Point
okay
boom Fair Point me ko bo mu so enti no emu no nipa nyanya kwentu ni ade but na ni nyina ko iskasem
okay
aboske ya na jana e wo say nipa nya di push ye nanso no so far no akonya the player be dream say obesi aka wa preach na akwese say na ye tumika ebi beto form ebi so ebi yeah for the say ato form na you be sorry na ya sorry so nya me entino so far no e be manage Ghana no say akwanto ni ba na say profumu na ba na say akonya da ho say etukwa na e be ko but say adwini nhyeda nye akwanto ni bibiri be say ma Ghana League no so right mu na pick some na ma bi feel
no me experience
na ja yeah travel forward going forward ni there yeah manage Ghana Premier League say nyame be poja no so ana nyame ma nsa so na yeso nya bi
okay
akọ testina ya hwe efiri on mu akọ
je ma say me sakuma chi a player ben na man say wo hwe no so say me as a cantona me hwe no so the ball boy me fe wo sua na say o yo mentor na say role model player ben kana asi
well Ghana no ewo ye Ghana Premier League
so me say bi ani pa no gu so obobo na so obobo la twam player besa you we see you tell you as a moja you we
media me bobo nyina no my case na me 5 reasons and no 5 just na me share team jam e kwa akobo bia e 5 only 5 point na me call ya 5 na e captain na share team me ko fa 10 e wo no ntina my case and there oye me role model and nyina ni type of football no eno na me bo ntino Asian, I mean, that's many to say I want to become somebody like him.
Asian. I say, quite you say, I'm trying to just way.
Okay, now there's Alice. You were Frank Lampard. On so boy trima, on so the type of football or bono. The ball power. Minimum long passes ball any day, minimum goals to share. And you know me so me fast Lampard free kicks in terms of free kicks I'm good at all those angles into me choose Lampard as my role model.
Oh okay fantastic. Abushan for okay abushan for me Sam Wakwaba be media so bet me follow bet me so like now the match so am team ben dream team or outside.
Well,
Ghana call outside.
You be on say if baby, yeah, baby, and so minim baby anyankopon e be ba kotu but for now ankam nyame peja en edu pempen so bi na say o say game ni so ma to some stage and the team ankam nya am so tasty Chelsea. Yeah.
You say Chelsea so what you
e ba ko buana
of the Chelsea
yeah journey now so funny to my part
esa ina e bon pa esa ja nyanko be aduma bit my boy ni cantona no what me dina go do so football career I said we say so what the football bako do be pempenso bi no so no so ye ne kra aba no e da be na obo say that way me as a player this day there enema anko ya ma me on the pitch.
Okay we had the nkoko ebra na agent ni ba ya na obe na agent ni ba me particular me nti na agent ni ba the man ofusunu no oye na agent say o pese enam ne so na nka mitu kwan nti agent ni ba no I friend ni ama oba ye no say anywhere so me particularly know that me so but that very day so na man bohwe enu na da na osofo no frɛ a day before the game o che ye be ba ni ma ko akwan mu a ya mfa ni ma mfa ni serious to me a me ko jira game ni ball through kan
oh
and there ha me papa enu ni ade a bo me forma satan ma nyame nko a kan ye na nim se ne beba because na abroji be ni so na
I can't be so any sick and who can don't
mind the body there mind the engine obewu so oya kwalaba oba say sa penyin na oni ti on articulator engine ye juma rough o se corner but obi ambunu nipa hu ni say oye akwala but trust me hey Ubejana ni ma say yes. The man is in your picture. Obe bi no maso am. Nti ono na nsem na eja afeli abe asutie. Prodigal son. Yeah, was after Nadia or the
as a player, there be one more. Obe say that way the mitmisia kama and that way the akanse mbisi na koya mame. Eno no wo sa memories. We
any house of folk. FA Cup, any Olympics. The guy Olympics every month in the house of Olympics. I go to play. Me man assist. That time na easy. Osebwati in the pool na only an assistant. Some of the 2015. The Sport Stadium. Me go assist to might me heading equalizing. And about 2-2 you eliminated from the penalty shootout. And I think say that match you know I was perfect in the game. And the carry my spirit to the House of Folk game now. Me born ball. And that the House of Folk to Kratima from men. At least no more the players, the lines of Tete Lugat, not that Rubinya, Tinga, Kufia Banga, Olenu Ashite, Enko, Nomukita, Abrante Abi, Thomas Abi Munia. They are having a great team and not that has quite Africa. And to the ball match and Sana Onion Ebebo Sunday. Tina, I was on top. Me ball game. And the Mamina Quina. Coach Ebetadu can say no, I should come and justify it. Across the for some months now. And I play a only share player which is a player with your how. Kofi Abangani Oleno City. So far, I'm on top first a year. And they will Kofi Oleno City or Ghana Army. Second division or on your okay. Abusia mene Eric Mensah aya efeno wona samane Cantona na etwetwe enkomo na enkomo na ede ko ede but I no wa share no follow no like no wa share o comments bi a na wo dey aba o comment section wonu no wa bone yetimi agru this channel me am dig imagine time me diane nana poku Cantona isia no me hwe ever since I was we see can only manager be anya want you be paying. Dabi me no be anya the time busa was an say players ni be one mo so o manager say o montam ngo and look me dey me no be anya san ntawantawano me no be anya san ntawantawano because me no be a discipline side there me one. You know no problem so me pa cho na what me are you fast some education nti obi aso a oni nya adwuma pen as a coach and as a manager no enim the way a me sit here nti me share no obi a enya ntawatawa bia. Oh okay I feel na say ukwa from the toe Obomidia to the town Cantona there sebi akokokra be ka cho the way a me tie nti mesre e ho de me share no obi a Eneisha. Okay. I say na one of colleagues no say na montemu sitie. Yeah fine. And they play a bia me no ball afina Bernardino Saturday. It's a ball Belgium 3 years. And then we na oni Mediama Sporting Club and a Juma. No say na I am playmate or Afina United. Afina City. Sorry, Afina City. First United. Nice one by the city. In the city never boy. I'm a penny for the beton slot in the man. Pram youth. Oh, okay. Okay. At least me no be anya I'm good to everybody. All right, sana for the one was on for come say opportunity but most of it push your back. Cantona. Boss. What did you do football? Met me like say I know the account because a game jina jidi awu buji eno bi na say jidi be jumpa enti jujun die e wo game but udi wa dwen ko ho a na e be di juma ma oduro die e wo ball mu pa obi anka nto say do ni mu a wadada eno e fa no waste miss enti no e fa bebre mu nso no nyankopon adom ye de Jabi da Chintino.
And talk about Bobo and I say, once the one dressing room, I wait to know the beer when you say the part of beginning and what you say beside that.
Yeah, Munchendi, say Munchendi, my Bobby Brick, Pumasi, my Bobby Bree, my Shasha, the Sugar with Darina Day, my Connie, Tacobo Munchendi, Namabi, Namuda Bro, at least so with Dariki, they say, I think we, Mananti, or give me Muntiminim, Senesiko.
Okay. Now, okay, Ghana, so the nature of the pitches now, Ghana. Say, one more player can't be there. It's a general Musia come park and send a Musifa your pitches, you know. One more players, you know.
Okay, pitches in the enemy, send a Ghana city, Yassasino. In Penifonsum, am I in a good pitches by boss body and end. But they look at gradually. Nyakopon pitches no Ashasia. Yeah, no, competent Biblia. We are astrotef, Nansentino. At least, am I a game so the beauty of the game, Eba, both division side and they coast who job on astrotef so division 3 airborne astrotefs into at least we are getting the good pitches now into the game nama. Obiasu showcase the talent.
Now, a banner say one can say person, Sena or financial monetary aspect, no, Sena in Mexico, or monetary aspect.
Financially, maybe any demo, any Nasitina hardship about a candy, Metnaga say, Asidakasi, Ebeko Yama, Mibra, the Greenland chairman. Man, no, very good. Very good. As I say, Onuna Bernard Owusu a free. Onuna of summer senior Ediko, the football one, who say at least coaching course, Minko Yebi. And from a far, the coast team, no, as times, I mean, book game now, at least that Chimbiana me back down. Make me at the coaching course now, Abedi. In Tama, me born now. Na me the coaching coast team no Greenland FC also ojo mo tema municipal assembly or also di juma or tema metropolitan coast football TMF association or na ojo mo tie Bernardo Usu free onu na waso masen a ohwe mo onu a me bra penyino no onu ahwe nyina me particular waboa me pa ohwe me edu pepenso enti asida kese Ebeko Edi Amano say Onunso Abo Ejuma Mama Nyaji as a senior brother. And they so Nasia Namidaso Amiwa Espino from nowhere. Espino here. Yankopon didn't know me from him. And I say no, me my talent we and say and then Espino no financially no or supporting me. Papa very massively. Got boot I mean the bobo na day. I can tell you that the guy is doing a marvelous job. Boot order to me now say trust me. Hey. Don't go there. And they say, Obetu send me the boss and the special man for boot number, nani buefu. You say, on say, what to adi papa man, because I'm the buffy.
On the crowd, meet me approach na no.
Oh, the chicken come up. Yapa, me on second.
Me Martin and Castle.
Oh, very good.
Oh, Gumi and Carano, Sabe and
yes, your doors one is him. Oh, yeah, dear papa. Day in day out, you come matches, bottle water, yeah, wherever. Oh, guy, no, so fantastic. Oh, you come. Also, in the chicken come. At least, also, you're up and coming coach. No, and your coaching keke.
And the agent
into football agency. So when my player to coin or player management in this animal, that guy is having a broadening minded or the Ghana football. I think say it will lift the game up. My fire into my pa. Espino is doing a marvelous job. Espino na so far no make maka say. Nyankopon boss robo asase no man in quantity. Any adwimpa oguso a owo no e de ma emu bi no. Ono no obefa yen na amafo say aroti uniform yen training but ono no going forward no I will prove you wrong. Yeah, now no what Tema New Town New Kraku Ajay Sports Complex. There's a Vision FC. Oh no musi omakan Division 1 side so from True Democracy. Also no musi omakan Tuesday twe mo ya any Bankuma FC professional institute nkomu the lines of Kodomuni ade ekobo tema Newtown Astrotech. 3 sets no use here. Coach Espino with his status and ability no. You were down by 2 goals to 0, but God being so good no. We came back and then equalized the 2 goals. Comeback no was marvelous comeback. Yeta you to Newtown for teams need DDH. Chale guy we ono po me assist here.
In football no. Yo baby obiabo position be na nkasa na wankasa position
we attacking midfielder.
No ape kundi won't play one much people so many
we attacking straight midfielder.
Okay, you know, so nkasa so much so attacking straight midfielder. So on obisa for enche bi competition be so far yakasa be 30 minutes nti ebra de be no pacho na awo modia na wa share area my wati na wa subscribe so YouTube na Facebook so follow honum na like ni de wa like e de amay fantastic player that can come be say either Accra Hasbrook as Kumasi and Tokotoko with me any opportunity no asi akan e de amom na say teams me ntimi abrante a won say omanya ade papa honum me ankasa de mahunu Bobo me na me share so many times yeah onye easy we fantastic honum nti Cantona e dey na wo ka kire mabunu be dey ko ntwi be no mo siso no na wo ka kire mo
as the youth no eba so far dey bia nkola no kwa me no mo training minya after me training anopa na me ko a me ba na me be fa me nkola na asema me ka kire mo dey bia ni say football is about determination, hard work and enthusiasm. Discipline the first thing. Unimbo without respect outside the pitch, on the pitch, and do beko. It doesn't matter say unimbo na say unya discipline outside the pitch, on the field of play. Forget it, football. And in the kind of football, more discipline. Secondly, a commitment. And Odibe can't game no be committee say chakri. Udi wa kuma ni wa dwin na ma de wo ye no. Na wasan so enya fapim say no come cry
me de beginem
eno ene be carry forward na udi nyamesum so ata ejuma de nechi esan say nei ebi mi kwa gbalegba o ebi musu ra etu ye player now dey also pe baby for ho ensha then I think say give no you are going out of the race because ebia amra wada no ebia sorry ebia sorry dada it no also sorry wonbra obi ada o sorry and also sorry so now for also nyamesum na also be wa you dey in that lane no e waju say obesu nyame anu aso ni na dachi also with me afa onto mapa
efra honom enene afutu akra yenu and I say Mr. Cantona also o ka kire youth na musiso mo de simoni say boy am go say determination, hard work, so what you say and betimi aboa any focus be focus on what you say adebia we focus na empire boss a team say you know no betimi aboa dia team de ama o na so pacho juma de betimi follow betimi so like o comment so the boy need to move this channel together me di juma de me na nyango pra duma pe mu so yesa asia the first one nice one yesa blem nti all the time no ma why no enwo me ayi ase page ase na do here bia so ma wonsa aka Cantona ene yedisia na me aduma yesa asia okay shalom peace bye bye.